snow will make its way through southeastern Arizona as the morning goes on. By about 9 a.m. we'll be too warm here in Tucson to see snowfall, but look at all of that to the south and east, so we won't have to drive very far to go see that snowfall, but the road conditions will be hazardous, so you've got to give yourself extra time for your morning and afternoon commute. Snow continues for most of the morning and into the early afternoon for parts of Santa Cruz and Cochise County, and then we will dry out from west to east, and by later on this evening we're all on the dry side.
So it's super unusual when it snows here in Tucson. It's super rare, and I woke up and it's snowing. Check this out. It's beautiful out here. Legit, it's snow. It's snowing. Look at that. What's up, Gordo? What's up, Gordo? You having fun? You having fun? Having a good time? Like, look at this. The trees have snow in them. That is so beautiful. I mean, there's gonna be states out there that, you know, are used to this. I'm not. Like I said, Tucson, Arizona. It's a rare occasion to get this. Super rare occasion.